Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check, which is like a test page, on a Canon Pixma MG7753. Now this is nice and simple, done from the printer itself, using nothing but the control panel you can see here. So from the home screen of the printer, we're going to swipe along to the right until setup is exposed. We press to go into setup, and then we want to go into maintenance, which is the top option, and print nozzle check pattern is the first one. So here we go. Press yes. Now this will take your printer just a minute. And you'll end up with a test page that's hopefully looking better than this one. And what we should have here is a breakdown of the photo black, cyan, magenta, yellow, standard black and grey that your printer uses. These should be solid bars all the way down, but clearly there's some serious issues here which we'll need to resolve with some cleans. If you notice fine breaks in this hatching at the top, normally indicates like a slight blockage on the photo black. And I say these should be bars of different vibrancies, and they should be a solid colour, not kind of varied like this. So cleans will be needed, which thankfully we can do directly from the printer. You can see it's asking here what it looks similar to, whether it's got lines in the bars or those little breaks we spoke of in the black hatching. So since ours is got quite a lot of issues relating to B, press also B, yes, and your printer will automatically jump into doing a cleaning cycle in which it kind of forces fresh ink through the printer's print head to hopefully dislodge any dried or congealed ink that could be causing those print quality issues we saw. And from here you can carry on doing nozzle checks and print cycles, just going in circles until you see an improvement in print quality and hopefully get yourself back to normal. If you found this video useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.